Okay, so this will be my first time using a meat thermometer, a chicken thermometer, So, just want to test it out. Now, I've been watching videos and I've seen that I've been watching Natasha's Kitchen, other videos on YouTube, and I've also seen that the FDA recommendation for a cooked chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which I'm sure most of you know. I did not know that. I've never used a meat thermometer before. So what I don't like is how chicken, especially chicken breast in particular, that specifically, always comes out dry. And I usually cook my chicken. Yeah, you're probably like, what? When I bake my chicken, I'll bake it like 390 degrees or 400 degrees. And I'll cook it for about an hour and 30 minutes approximately. I turn it over at 1 hour point. So an hour and 30 minutes to like an hour and 50 minutes, depending, right? But that's probably too long. But I sort of grew up around this idea that, oh, if it's not cooked, you're going to get salmonella just because of someone in the family. But yeah, so that's why I've always pretty much, especially chicken breast, I've like cooked it so long. But I want to test this out. I just purchased this from Walmart today. This is the only brand they had. This is all they had. It's not even the brand I was looking for, but I said, screw it. I went with this one. That's all I had. It should work. Somebody said hold on it. I don't know if I should have got the ones that said hold the button or not. I don't think so. I don't feel like paying the extra money for it. So in this one, this Good Cook probably doesn't even exist anymore. I This is an analog one, as you can see. This was sitting down in the kitchen. I was searching before I went shopping. It was sitting in the kitchen for I don't know how many years. Right? Wiped it down, looks like this, but it's been in there for years. So I will keep this one here in case of emergencies, in case apocalyptic event and electricity all goes out and I need it or something, right? So the way everything's going on, right? So I'll say that. But I want to use the digital one. And also because when I did research, it said the digital one could be more accurate. So this won't be a long video. And when I get to cooking, it's 7:01 now, but I can't cook yet. So I'm going to cook it. I'm going to try to cook it on 420 degrees. I never turn the oven up that high. But I've seen a lot of videos that say 425 degrees Fahrenheit. But I'll do like 415, 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Thinking about cooking it for approximately 15-20 minutes. And then I'll turn over the chicken breast. Well, I'll check the temperature at that point. And then I'll turn it over. Check it again. So when it gets to 165, I'll try it. And I'll show you, will it be juicy or will it be dry? There's no oil on my chicken. There's no, just I season it up. That's it. There's no butter and there's no oil. So this will be short. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
It was like $7. What am I doing here, Michael? Don't worry. I know. I don't know.
Okay,
I know it wasn't Ruth because I saw it after.
it's been 20 minutes.
And that is all I'm saying.
Let me test it out.
Sit there, looking at me.
It was on, but I turned it off. Let me turn it back on.
I'm waiting.
Let's do this.
I had never heard Mr. Winter sound that agitated before. That angry. I've been here 17 years. He keeps it under control.
So it's not there yet. So I'm going to turn it over. It's going up.
I'm gonna tell
But
him everything.
turn it over, cook for another 10, 15 minutes, maybe 20.
Shit bothered me.
Again, it's at 420. It's 141. Alright. Come back in,
I'm good with you asking
say,
questions.
another 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. Oh yeah, that's it. 70. So 171, 72. Try this one. That one's higher on the edge, huh? Yeah, so it's done basically.
It's actually warm. He could be very uncompromising. My husband.
Okay, I know it's dark. Lima beans there with a little bit of spring mix salad. Here's the chicken. Just had my first bite. Finally, some tender chicken. It is tender. I can't say it's like juicy, but it's tender. I haven't got to the center. I ate the edge of it. It's juicy. You can probably see a little bit. It is done. That's the light from the TV over there. It is done. So, alright. I like it. So, I'll start using the thermometer from now on. I do recommend it. So, yeah, this one was at approximately 171 degrees. So, a little bit higher. So, overall, that was like, I cooked it for 35 minutes, but I could say like 30 to 35 minutes was good. 420 degrees. So, there you go. And I'm watching, I'm on season 3, episode 2, but I need to watch the end of 1 right now of The Chosen on Amazon. I'm watching that and The Wheel of Time. Both shows are amazing. So, anyway, let me get to eating. But yeah, first time using a temperature thermometer gauge for, for meat, right? For my chicken. Because I wanted some juicy, tender, at least tender, right? I can't say it's juicy, but it is tender. So there you go. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.